We need to prepare very well the game for different reasons. One of them is after to go the big achievement in Al Hilal. It's very important to put the focus now in ISL, change the mentality and to be really on this challenge. And the second one, if we are going to play looking at the classification, the position higher up on the table, it will be a big mistake because I think they have enough potential to put in troubles to us and everything. For example, was against Mumbai City. We need to be ready, we need to change the mentality about tomorrow's game, and we need to know if we are not 100% it's possible to win.
I think Hyderabad is a good side. They have good individual players, and now they didn't win any game. So I think we can take advantage of this and we try to win the game.
Keep that momentum going tomorrow.
Absolutely, we need to be strong, at home, and also in this competition you need to be strong. To play at home, we need to take advantage of this. We have very good numbers at home, we beat but this is the past. As always, I told you, the next game, the past, it's not affect for the next game. We need to put the focus in the present, and hopefully we can get 3 important points and continue with this good moment we are living at home. They have very good players. I think they have enough potential to be in a better position than they have in the classification now. Maybe the stability of the club in some terms is not the best in this moment, but I think they are competing very well. For example, was in previous games with a lot of rounds, and we need to take care. We need to be careful because this kind of games, if you are playing looking at the classification, is a big mistake because the potential of the opponent team is good and good enough to put us in problems and also to be great. It's not easy. Tomorrow will be a difficult game.
Coach, we have to address the elephant in the room. Diego misses out due to the suspension that he faced against Mohun Bagan Supergiant. What do you have to say about that, and how are you intending to? Diego got suspended in the last game.
Yes. There are not excuses because missing 1 or 2 players as a coach, I tell you, we don't have options to win one game, or we are losing options to win one game. It's not good because it's not true. We have a very good squad with a lot of players. We miss important players in important games, against Mohun and FCK, and the team works well. At the end, we need to work very well. Even we have suspensions, injuries, because we need to be ready. It's impossible to win one trophy or to be strong in a competition when you are competing only with 11 players, 12 players, 13 players. We have a very good squad with a lot of players, and there are no excuses to get a good result tomorrow.
What has been the experience so far as a unit, training under coach?
I think
How you have improved as a team over the last few games?
we did start well in the AFC and in the ISL as well. Like we lost 2 matches continuously, and after that, as a team, we show the character as a team. And I think for me personally, I improve a lot, and the coach always give confidence to the player. Like if you are doing mistake, he says keep trying until you are not doing well. So for me, I think it's a big advantage, and I will improve a lot.
About the squad now, especially after achieving what we did in the last game.
As I told you always, when we are winning, it's not everything amazing. We need to improve a lot of things, and when you are losing, it's not everything a disaster. We need to try to find a balance in football. And you can see, the small details change everything. In the last game, it was one example, no? The small details in during the game, it's possible to change everything, no? In set pieces, in one suspension, in one action during the game, again against Mohammedan, like I said, we score the third goal. The game is over, and in the next action we concede one goal and finish 2-2. As smaller as it's possible to change everything. And when you are winning, you can do two things. To think everything is amazing and to keep in the situation you are, and I think it's a big mistake because we need to improve in a lot of things as a team. We are growing, and I think it's important to have a perspective, professional perspective, thinking we are winning, but we need to do some things better to keep these results because. As I told you before, there are no games winning for 5 goals. Finally, in one small time, it's possible to win or lose one game and also one competition because the last game here was a final. And we need to keep working, we need to understand some things it's important for us. We need to be loyal in our style of play. Sometimes during the game, when we are winning, we are trying to score, to defend the result, maybe not having the possession of the ball, losing the possession of the ball, giving the chance to our opponent team to play long balls and to defend in our half. This is one thing we need to improve because I think it's important to be loyal till the end of the game and manage better the situations when we are winning. And when we are losing, sometimes also, we want to score very quickly, we have rush, and we are losing also our style of play. I think it's very important to be loyal in our style of play because this is the reason we are a strong team. When we are losing this vision, we are going to have problems, and maybe you can get points, but suffering a lot. In the last period of the game, you have one example. We lost 5 points. 5 points in the games against FC Goa, Mumbai City, and Mumbai. These smaller times it's possible to change everything. Now with 19 points, it's not the same with the 14 points. No. I am happy because the team is working very well. I am very proud of my players. They are very good professionals. They are improving every day, and it's a pleasure as a coach to work with professionals like this. But we need to keep going and we need to no answer.
Coach, scoring?
Yes, we are scoring a lot of goals. We need to try to find a balance in defense situation because football at the end is a balance. And set pieces is not only about us, it's key. It's key in competitions, in the World Cup, in a lot of competitions around the world. The set pieces can decide one game, one trophy, one final. And I'm very happy because in terms of set pieces, my staff, Floyd, Mark Patricio, they are doing an amazing job. And at the end, the players they are putting in practice on the ground. It's very difficult. And I'm very happy as a coach to have a staff like this, working very well in this kind of actions. And also the understanding the team is doing during the games.
Ahead of the World Cup.
I will just say keep coming guys, and I think we have a strong squad this time and we will give you trophy for sure. Please supporting us and cheering for us. Thank you.
In the previous press conference, always I told the same. We need to give them something to ask something. Now we give them something. In the last game especially, and I'm very happy. Everything is for them. When we are working in our shop, our target, I told you a lot of times, is to make happy people. And I think it was a very good night last game, and hopefully we can have their support every game because we need them at the end. We are a stronger team when we have the support of our fans, and Kalinga is a difficult place to play when they are with us.
I think that's